Schlüter-DITRA provides 5 essential functions to address the challenges presented by common tile substrates. DITRA is an uncoupling membrane with a grid structure of cutback cavities and an anchoring fleece laminated to the underside. The cutback cavities also create free space within the DITRA. The membrane is bonded to the substrate using appropriate adhesive for the substrate. The cavities are completely filled with tile adhesive, with additional adhesive combed over the top. The tiles are embedded in the adhesive and grouted. Now we'll demonstrate the 5 functions. All floors will expand and contract due to thermal changes and moisture content. The tile will generally move differently to the substrate. DITRA provides uncoupling through its open rib structure, which allows the substrate and the tile to move independently. This prevents the substrate movement from building up stress in the tile covering that could otherwise cause damage like cracks or debonding of the tile. Here we see hairline cracks not being transferred to the tile covering. Tile coverings are not waterproof. Water can get through the tile covering to the substrate below. DITRA provides reliable waterproofing to protect moisture-sensitive substrates from water ingress. The free space on the underside of DITRA provides a route for excess moisture and vapour to escape from the substrate. DITRA's vapour management function allows for earlier tile installation over green screeds and concrete. Loads are transferred from the tile covering through column-like adhesive structures formed in the membrane to the substrate below. This design ensures tiles are properly supported when exposed to traffic. The integration of uncoupling, waterproofing, vapour management and support addresses the challenges presented by common tile substrates such as plywood, concrete and gypsum. This makes DITRA the universal membrane for tile and stone.